Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a secure way to store and encrypt your files but don't want to pay full price, I've got great news. Today I'll share the latest NordLocker coupon codes and promo discounts for 2022 so you can save money right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. NordLocker is developed by the same team behind NordVPN, so you already know it's built on strong privacy and security. It's a powerful tool for encrypting your files, syncing across devices, and protecting your data in the cloud or on your computer. Whether you're handling sensitive work files or just want peace of mind for your personal documents, NordLocker has you covered. Here are the codes you can try. Locker20, save 20% off NordLocker subscriptions. Nord25, extra 25% off annual plans. Secure 15, flat 15% off site-wide. Save 30% off when bundled with NordVPN. Welcome 10% off for new customers in 2022. How to redeem? Click the special link in the description. Select your NordLocker plan, monthly, annual, or bundle. At checkout, paste one of the coupon codes, confirm the discount, and complete your purchase. It's that simple. So don't wait. NordLocker deals like this don't last forever, and securing your files has never been more important. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and protect your data today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more software promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.